and happy. You are easy and happy.
I love that you guys finally recognize me.
I thought it was smart to put it somewhere where I'd see it. No.
You hid it from yourself.
I did. And it's like really pissing me off. I thought I would be smart and put it in the hole right here. I guess not.
Can you imagine?
I can actually see it. Catch you. Let me
Yes.
catch you.
Please.
Cheese.
Today we are working on this. He did most of the good work. Thank God. The part that I was dreading the most, he already got done for me. And that's actually the number one thing is getting the car on jack stands. That's like I hate it. I hate doing it.
Yeah,
I don't know.
Last night.
I don't know why. I fucking these bad boys. If you got a lowered 36 or 46, these are toe correction brackets. You need them. Need them. If you don't have them, you're goofy, like me. But I'm also back, so you know. I ride pretty high. But homeboy's got old worn out bushings, and I assume has poly replacements.
No, I'm doing full Condor. So my plan is I was gonna wait till next month to do the full Condor since I already have the bushings.
Yeah. So
But I want to drive the car.
Poly though, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I want to drive the car. Well, tomorrow at least a little bit for the barbecue stuff.
Okay.
So
Yeah,
that's the reason why. And then Matt was bullying me.
Yeah, that's how it always
Because
happens.
he's like, I drove like 1,200 miles and you tell me you can't put your car up to fucking put it all together. I was like, all right, man, all right.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I did that.
Look at this. Look at this fucking.
all that shit.
This quick flex, real quick. Look at this. Look at that. Us broke boys know nothing about this. And before you start commenting, he's got the supporting for it. Don't worry. The best way to go about this is drilling a pilot hole in the bushing here, and then cut it out with a saw. And yeah, that's gonna be fun. I will need an extension cord actually. Alright, so off camera, I drilled the inside of the bushing out, which you can see here, so that we can fit this bushing kit from Amazon to pull the rest out. And we'll see how this goes. It's just buttering it.
There he goes.
There's all of it out. And there's the old bushing. So that's where these relief cuts, I guess we could call them, came into play for that. So it's out. I just gotta clean this up a bit. Use grease. And get that one in. That cleaned out, and just gonna get my good old grease that I lent to somebody, and they fucked it all up. So they brought me back the tube with like a glove because they busted the bottom part of it or some shit. I don't know, man. I was mad. It's like a brand new thing of grease, like.
Walk it to me, walk to me.
There we go. Let's be generous with the grease.
Indeed. All right, on pit road now. Russell Ward, GTD car.
I mean, depending on what bushings you order, one will have the bigger lip than the other, and really, it does matter how you want it. So if you put the bigger lip side on this side, the trailing arm is going to move more towards the outside of the car, giving you more of a toe out. And so vice versa, if you put the bigger side on the outer, it'll give you more toe in. And that's how the offset bushings work. All right, so there's that in there. That's when the RTAB, and boys, little boys, please install these right. They go like this, yeah, not like this. Okay, this is a pocket because there's a pocket up here. Yeah. You see that pocket? That's where it goes, okay? Yeah, goes in there. So make sure you install these right. And I should note that these three bolts that hold these are 18 millimeters, and the center bolt is also 18?
Yes, all 18.
All 18, so everything to undo all this, which obviously, like I said, I didn't do because this was already done before I got here. All those are 18 millimeter bolts, so that's how you get them off and back on. What are you talking about? What are you talking about over there? Okay, go CPs then. Alright, so we got the both sides done. This side, once this fool busted out the kit, got it done in 15 minutes. And I recorded it. From fucking start to finish. 55 took me to do that side, so they're really easy to do if you've got the right tools. I definitely recommend, if you can't afford the fucking RTAB toolkit, because they are expensive. OMT on Amazon.
Yep, $70.
You can finesse it out, drill out the center, and then use the kit to do the rest. And it's so easy to do. I'm excited to see this thing back on the ground. We're gonna be back here tomorrow for a cookout. So hopefully he's got it all, down on the ground.
I'm probably gonna wake up at like 6 o'clock in the morning.
He's gonna wake up 6 o'clock in the morning. But yeah. Also, I found out I fit in these bad boys right here. Never in my life did I think I could fit in a fixed bucket seat. But these are some XL boys, and your boy actually fits. I'm wide, like I'm fat, but like I'm wide, and I fit pretty, like they fit almost like the sports seats from the E46 already. Like I got a nice huggature here, and I'm like, man, I would love some, but now I'm like, I got natural brown interior though, so I'm like, Do I want to sacrifice the natural brown for some fix backs?
You could do natural brown. So what you could do,
don't
you
start
could
with
do.
me.
Turn it around. Turn it
Don't
around.
start
Turn it around.
with me, man.
So same seats, but the centers, get them done the same leather material so it matches the rest. Obviously, mine are completely different. They're the Nardo Barista ones. I just kind of wanted something to be off-centered in the car because obviously I have everything else done up.
I'd probably do full brown.
Or would you? The guy that did this, my door panels, he could do them for you.
Right.
Andrew, you're in San Antonio. Hit my boy out. I'll send you his ad so you can put it.
No, I follow him because I wanted him to. I want to eventually have him redo those because those are hella cracked.
Oh yeah.
So I was eventually gonna hit him up for that, but I'm like, man, bad decisions. Maybe, probably not, but maybe.
I vote yes.
We're voting yes. Anyways, that's pretty much it for today's video. Tomorrow is gonna be an interesting one because we got a lot of people,
especially one
coming
from
over.
out of state. ZHP, but S54 swapped. Basically, mine is like all showy, but no power because I still have the M54.
Yeah, like
his
he's got
is like nonchalant.
He's got
S54.
all this bullshit. Stock
stock
engine
motor.
You know.
And then I mean we got a few Type R's I might be pulling through. Ryan's pulling up, so he's probably gonna bring out his S2K with my old Recaro seats in him. Yeah, it's gonna be a good time. Music's gonna be playing, barbecuing up here up front.
So
Texas weather.
Video for a different day, you know. But that's it for today's video. You guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you guys next time. Damn, mutt.
I'm Matt.
I'm Albert. Just to put your camera right in your face, but you know.
Especially like you're in the tunnels type of thing.
I love your car, naturally.
Yeah.
That's good.
What's up? You gonna put camera in everybody's face today.
Go ahead, do your thing.
Everybody. That's just who I am now. You know, no shame.
What's up?
What's up, dude? How you been?
Chilling, bro.
Fucking dude, I see you and I'm like, man, this motherfucker is all swollen shit, bro.
You have to. These things come with holes in it. Yeah. Just get the.
Poppy swears that he's grilling, bro.
Well, the wife seasoned it.
Yeah, don't get fooled though, cause Allie's the one who seasoned this shit.
Oh God.
So yeah, she had to take over cause.
No, she did. Bro, they got a babysitter here too.
Yeah, we got all the babysitters, huh? Mm-hmm. Look at you. Jose just pulled up. Well, yeah, a lot of people pulled up. Look at Mochi's. Look at this fucking thing, bro. This thing gets me every time, man.
How about I
He had the dog too earlier.
Just sticking the camera in everybody's face today, so. Okay. With a big ass lens. Not even like a little lens, just big. Yeah, no, always logging, bro. Always. Oh, there you go. No, you're right. You're right.
Yeah, get the hoodie, get the hoodie, get the hoodie. You see us? You see us? We deep out here?
Hey, the sleeve.
Oh, shout out Fighting Nick.
Yeah, this whole fucking brand ambassador right here.
Mow that on.
He literally just, that's all he.
Sponsored by Diamond though. Oh, shit.
Okay. Fair enough. Damn, bro. ¿Y tú qué?
Cheese.
That's what you filming?
Oh, yeah. You're just eating Cheetos today.
That's Sophie.
You're right, that is Ophi. Yeah, this is like the best thing that ever happened to me, to be honest.
When'd you get it?
Christmas, actually. Christmas present.
Damn, it's
Ooh,
clear.
bro.
Yeah, good, yeah.
Mm.
The color is nice.
The lens, bro, it made all the difference.
But bubble.
When we slide, we stay tapping on doors. Ride on triple chrome, glide on them votes. Put up on a nigga around, baby, you in a row. Playing with these drums, cause I got them sticks. Trunk bumping in the streets, screwed up.